Hey guys, welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today's topic is the Classic List widget by Ultimate PostKit plugin. The Classic List is a blogging list type widget that helps the visitors take a glance at all future posts quickly. Let's see how this widget works. Once you drag and drop the widget inside the page, you will see how the list looks on the display. From the layout, you can adjust the item gap between the posts below. Then you can change the featured image height. After that, you can change the image width for the list images. The list image position is changeable too. Then comes the content alignment. Adjust the image size to preserve their resolutions. From the query section, you can adjust the number of posts on the display. After that comes the include/exclude fields and some sorting options. The additional settings section mostly has switchers. Each one can show or hide specific elements from the list. For example, the date, author, category, text, etc. Moving on to the Style tab, from the Items section, change the background color for the posts. Go to the Title section and pick a color for the hover. From the Category section, pick the same color for the category backgrounds. And white for the text. That's it. The minimal looks of the Classic List will bring new taste to your blog page. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.